Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Quick English Talk, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I'm Mark, and I'm happy to be here with you today.
Great to have you here. Mark, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. The weather is nice and sunny. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks, and I'm excited about today's topic.
Oh, nice. What are we going to talk about?
Today, we are talking about the supermarket.
That's very useful. Everyone goes shopping.
Yes, we will learn easy English words and sentences for buying food.
Sounds perfect. But first, a quick message for our listeners.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to Quick English Talk.
And don't forget to like and share with your friends.
Thank you for your support. At the supermarket. Okay, Mark, are you ready to go shopping?
Yes, I have my shopping list with me.
Good, a list helps a lot. What do you need?
I need apples, bananas, and yogurt.
Nice and healthy. I need milk, eggs, bread, dot chicken, and carrots.
Great, let's start.
Getting a cart. First, we need something to carry our items.
Yes, a shopping cart or a basket.
I will take a cart because I have many items.
I'll take a basket. My list is short.
Fruits and vegetables. Let's go to the fruit section.
Look at the apples, red and green.
Which do you like?
I like red apples. They are sweet.
How many?
4 apples, please.
Great! Now bananas.
Yes, I'll take 1 bunch of bananas.
Perfect. Now my turn. I need carrots.
Here they are, next to the potatoes.
I'll take 1 bag. Done.
Dairy section. Now, let's go to the dairy section.
It's cold here.
Yes, here is the milk.
I'll take a big carton.
And eggs.
I need 1 dozen eggs. That means 12.
Right. Now my yogurt.
Which flavor?
Strawberry. I'll take 2 cups.
Bakery section. Next, bread.
I love this section. It smells so good.
I'll take 1 loaf of bread.
Wait, cookies look tasty.
Okay, just a small pack.
Meat section. Now for chicken.
Excuse me, can I have 2 chicken pieces, please?
That's a polite sentence.
Thank you.
Drinks aisle. I feel thirsty.
Let's get a drink.
I'll take orange juice.
I'll take a bottle of water. Checkout. Now we go to the checkout.
Let's stand in line.
Put your items on the belt.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $32.
I will pay by card.
Thank you. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Learning recap. That was a great shopping trip.
Yes, we learned many useful words.
Like cart, basket, aisle, and checkout.
And sections like fruits, dairy, bakery, and meat.
Also, polite sentences like, "Excuse me, where can I find milk?"
Very important. Closing. Thank you for watching Quick English Talk.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
And tell us, what do you always buy at the supermarket?
I always buy coffee.
I always buy cheese.
Keep practicing your English.
See you next time.
Goodbye.